This is a 12.4 quart XL air fryer. Unboxing. Including the package is a user manual, cooking gloves, stern blade, fry pan, chicken roaster rack, roasting rack, pizza tray, and air fryer. So we're going to insert the pizza tray and wire rack. Now this is suitable for homemade pizza, meat, cake, cookies, biscuit, vegetables, and skewers. Next we're going to insert the frying pan and wire rack. This is ideal for bread or chips. Here I'm going to show you how to install the stirring blade on the frying pan. So you just place it on top, make sure it's level. Next we're just going to go through the settings quickly. So the settings left to right is frozen french fries, fish, seafood, hamburger, frozen pizza, steak, frozen chicken drumsticks, french fries, fried chicken, cakes, cookies, fried vegetables, and defrost. So on the top right you have an adjustable temperature icon. Underneath it is the 60-minute cooking timer that you adjust. At the bottom right you have your stirring function icon. At the top left you have your menu option. The middle left you have your start pause button. And then at the bottom left you have your preheat function. Okay, so now we're going to do the frying test. And so I'm inserting 3 little pizza bites. I'm choosing the pizza. I'm just going to let it run until the pizza time's done. Okay, so it's pretty much completed. So here's the final result. So I'm going to cut it open so you can see how I cooked it in the middle. And then we're going to do a temperature so we can see how I cooked it completely and it's safe. So you can tell it cooked it to 163.9. This was probably like 4 or 5 minutes after I let it cool down a little bit. And so all the pieces are cooked completely, and so they're safe to eat. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.